Sige. Okay na, okay. Basta lang ano na-inform. So, nandito na naman po lahat ng back member. Mapera po kay Aden na may equal okay po. So, let's start na po. Once again, good morning po. Today po, we will conduct private conference for 10 projects of FY 2024 from 24 DJ 0060 to 24 DJ 0069. For the information of everybody, this conference po is via Zoom and live po tayo sa YouTube channel ng Quezon 2 DEO. Hindi na po tayo sa Facebook Live. Nasa YouTube na po tayo. So, to start po, let us ask guidance and let us ask guidance to Almighty. So, sa panguna po ni Engineer Mayo Gayeta.
Good morning po. Let us pray. Name to Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord God, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat po sa biyayang buhay na pinagkaloob niyo po sa bawat isa. Lord, dalangin po namin ang gabay at patnubay sa maghapong ito, lalong-lalo na po sa gaganapin namin na private conference. Lord, ibigay niyo po sa bawat isa ang talas ng isipan upang maunawaan po ang lahat ng aming tatalakayin sa private conference na ito. Lord, sa inyo na po namin itinataas ang lahat ng ito at pinapanalangin po namin ito sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen. Salamat, anak si Jesus.
Thank you po, Engineer Mayo Gayeta. So, next is acknowledge po natin all personalities who are present already. So, headed by our Assistant Back Chairperson, Engineer Julius B. Digala, press from USA. Good morning, sir.
Good morning po, ma'am. Good morning po sa lahat. Good morning.
Thank you po. So, next po is present na rin po ang ating back member, Engineer Faustino Mark Anthony de la Cruz. Good morning, sir.
Good morning po. Good morning to all po.
Thank you po. Next po is back member, Engineer Charlotte Abulancia Constantino. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning po.
Thank you po. Next po, back member, Engineer Marvin Jan Agustin. Good morning, sir.
Good morning po.
Thank you po. So, next po is our back member, ang ating pong Administrative Officer, Miss Hazel Elises. Good morning,
Hello po,
ma'am.
good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you po. Ang ating pong mga back TWG members, si Engineer Ezra L. Africa. Good morning po.
Good morning po, ma'am. Good morning po sa lahat.
Thank you po. Back TWG member, Engineer Jim Paul Abril. Good morning po.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning po sa lahat.
Po. Next is back TWG member, Engineer Benyer Palaganas. Good morning, sir.
Morning po, ma'am. Good morning po sa lahat.
Next is back TWG member, Miss Glyren Losloso. Morning po. So, po is ang ating pong mga secretariat, back secretariat, Engineer Mayo Gayeta. Morning, ma'am. Next up is the Engineer Joyce Carla Dino, back secretariat.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Next po is back secretariat, Miss Lauren Naila de Rama. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Good morning. And back secretariat member, Miss Joy Aragon. Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Thank you. So, ang ating po mga programmer, present na rin po si Engineer Lauren Rosimo. Good morning po.
Good morning po.
Thank you. Next is Engineer Vic Milaor, our programmer.
Good morning po.
Good morning po. Next is our programmer, Engineer Sarah Jane Abar. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Thank you. Next is our programmer again, Engineer Justiniano Nierba. Morning po.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Thank you. Present na rin po ang ating, wait lang po. From Commission on Audit, Miss Sirporn Passion. Good morning, ma'am. Next po is from the yung mga interested contractors po natin. Representative po from IA Bosque Construction Corporation. Good morning po.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Thank you. Next is from representative from Romhead SJ Builders. Good morning po. Back TWG member po, si Engineer Marco Brian Britton. Good morning, sir.
Morning po. Good morning, ma'am.
So, wala na po ba akong na-miss sa mga present? Paki-inform lang po ako, baka may nakaligtaan. So, once again, magandang pong umaga sa inyong lahat. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Engineer Nympha Derada ng Procurement Unit po. So, start ka po natin yung ating mga project. Let us read 10 projects para po makita po natin agad alin yung mga project na interesado ang ating mga contractors na naka-online and yung mga nanonood po sa YouTube. Number 1 po is 24 DJs. Wait lang po. Sorry po. Ano po? Hingan po muna natin yung ng opening remarks or message po ang ating pong Vice Back Chairperson, si Engineer Julius Digala. Sir, good morning. Please.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning po sa ating lahat. Welcome po ulit sa ating initial but very, very important step sa ating bidding process na kung saan po i-discuss na ating opisina lahat ng mga projects for bidding and para po sa mga katanungan ay huwag po kayo mahihiya lalo na sa ating mga interested contractors, bidders who are going to join the upcoming bidding para po maging smooth ang takbo ng ating bidding process. Welcome po sa mga fellow BAC members, sa ating pong BAC Secretariat, of course, kay Ma'am Nimpa, sa ating pong mga engineer presenters, contractors, and our resident auditor. Gaya nga po nasabi ko kanina, this is a very opportune time for the contractors to clear up everything para maliwanagan po ang lahat. Kung meron pa tayong mga katanungan sa mga projects na ating susubasta pwede po nating itanong sa ating mga programmers, sa ating mga engineer presenters para at least malinawan kung ano pang gusto nating linawin sa mga projects natin gustong salihan. Yun lang po at in behalf of our BAC chairperson, maganda pong umaga sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir. Sir Julius, thank you po. So, again, start na po natin yung call to order natin ng ating mga projects. Number 1 po is 24DJ0060. 001 ensures safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, preventive maintenance primary road, MSR, Diversion Road, kilometer 128 plus 279 to kilometer 129 plus 008, and kilometer 130 to plus 274 to kilometer 130 plus 540. Ang scope of work po is preventive maintenance. Contract location is Lucena City, Quezon. Net length, 942 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract is 144,750,000 pesos. Contract duration is 240 calendar days. Size range of contractor, medium A. License category B. Cost of bidding documents is 50,000 pesos. Ang source of fund po natin is, lahat po ng ating i-present is from GAA ng fiscal year 2024. Next is 24DJ0061. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, Flood Mitigation Structure, Protecting Major Strategic Public Building Facilities, Construction of Drainage System, Purok, Anak, Bagong, Sinag, Barangay, Cotta, Lucena City. Scope of work, construction of drainage with net length of 369 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000 pesos. Contract duration, 150 calendar days. Contractor size range, small b, with license category C and D. And the cost of bidding documents is 5,000 pesos. Next, number 3 is 24DJ0062. 001 ensures safe and reliable national road systems, bridge program, widening of permanent bridges, Lacawan Bridge, B02937 LC, along MSR Diversion Road, Lucena City, Quezon. Scope of work, bridge widening. Net length, 56.20 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract is 113,966,500 pesos. Contract duration is 360 calendar days. Contractor size range, medium A with license category B. Cost of bidding documents, 50,000 pesos. Number 4, the 24DJ0063, Convergence and Special Support Program, Motor Vehicle Users Charge, or Special Road Fund, Motor Vehicle Users Charge, or MVUC, as per Republic Act 11239. Installation of road safety devices, road roller barriers along Pagbilao, Dalahican Port Road, kilometer 140 plus 600 to kilometer 141 plus 400. Intermittent section po. Scoop of work, installation of road safety, the roller barriers. Net length 744 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract is 96,500,000 pesos. Contract duration is 120 calendar days. Size range medium A with license category B. Cost of bidding documents 50,000 pesos. Number 5, 24DJ0064, 001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, network development program, or road widening, tertiary roads, San Juan Candelaria Junction, Candelaria Bolbok Road, kilometer 147 plus 631 to kilometer 147 plus 903. Scope of work is road widening, net length 272 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract 19,600,000 pesos. Contract duration 180 calendar days. Contractor size range small b with license category C and D, and cost of bidding documents 25,000 pesos. Number 6 is 24DJ0065, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, multipurpose buildings, facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose building, Barangay Lalig, Chaong, Quezon. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building. Approved budget for the contract 7,425,000 pesos. Number of unit po ng building is 1 unit lang po. Contract duration 210 calendar days and size range ng contractor small b with license category C and D. Cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. Number 7 is 24DJ0066, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, multipurpose building, facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose building, or the Barangay Hall, Barangay San Agustin, Chaong, Quezon Province. Scope of work, construction of 1 multipurpose building. Approved budget for the contract is 7,425,000 pesos. Contract duration 210 calendar days. Contractor size range small b with license category C and D. Cost of bidding documents 10,000 pesos. Number 8 is 24DJ0067. 001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, network development program, road widening secondary roads. Candelaria Bypass Road, kilometer 106 plus 707.5 to kilometer 106 plus 834 and kilometer 106 plus 882 to kilometer 106 plus 935. Scope of work, road widening, net length is 179.50 linear meter. Net length, approved budget for the contract is 16,366,000 pesos. Contract duration, 150 calendar days. Contractor size range, small b with license category C and D. Cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. Next, 24DJ0068, 001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, network development program, road widening, tertiary roads, MSR Junction, Chaong Dolores Road, kilometer 96 plus 81 to kilometer 96 plus 516. Location is Dolores, Quezon. Scope of work, road widening, net length is 435 linear meter. Up to budget for the contract, 24,268,720 pesos. Contract duration, 210 calendar days. Contractor size range, small b with license category C and D. And cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. And lastly, number 10, 24DJ0069, 001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, network development program, road widening, tertiary roads, Lutucan Gisgis Port Road, kilometer 116 plus 43 to kilometer 116 plus 421. Scope of work, road widening, contract location is Sariaya, Quezon. Net length, 378 linear meter. Approved budget for the contract is 19,600,000 pesos. Contract duration, 180 calendar days. Contractor size range, small b with license category C and D. And cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. So, ito po yung 10 projects na i-discuss for the day. So, para po sa presentation ng programs, scope of works, and plans. So, programmers, sino po kaya ang magdi-discuss? 24DJ0060. Thank you po.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ang title po ng ating first project is 001 Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program Preventive Maintenance Primary Roads MSR Diversion Road kilometer 0128 plus 279 to kilometer 1229 plus 008 and kilometer 130 plus 274 to kilometer 130 plus 540 Lucena City. Contract ID 24DJ0060. Plans of the proposed project. Title page. Index of drawings. Location map, vicinity map, E-map, layout plan. Journal notes. Summary of quantities. Typical roadway section. Straight line diagram. Straight line diagram. Reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. project billboard, field office, traffic management plan, road safety, and profile, and the rest are project profiles. Next is cross sections. The rest are cross sections. Scope of works. For part A, facilities for the engineer, A.1.13, construction of field office for the engineer, A.1.111, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. Next is A.1.41, provision of progress photographs. For part B, other general requirements, B.5, project billboard signboard, B.72, visual safety and health program, B.82, traffic management, B.9, mobilization, demobilization. For part C, earthworks, 1013B5, removal of actual structures of obstruction. 1013C1, removal of actual structure and structures obstruction. Next is 1022, structure plus common excavation. 1051A, subgrade preparation, common material. Part D, sub-base and base course. 2041A, Portland cement stabilized road mixed base course. Part E, surface courses. 3022, emulsified asphalt. 31012B, bituminous concrete surface with anti-rotting additive at laid. 3102B, bituminous concrete surface binder course at laid. 3112F2, Portland cement concrete pavement. Next is part H, miscellaneous structure. 6122, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. White. Minimum equipment requirements. One unit of work gym. Next is one payloader, one dump truck, one bulldozer, one motorized road grader, one vibratory roller, one water truck, one asphalt distributor, one power broom, one asphalt paver, one pneumatic tire roller, one tandem steel roller, one concrete vibrator, one concrete spreader, one concrete saw, one bar cutter, single phase, one cargo truck, delivery truck, one applicator machine, one kneading machine, one low bed trailer, one cargo truck, delivery truck, one backhoe with pavement breaker, one power requirements, one project manager with 5 years of experience, one project engineer with 5 years of experience, one accredited materials engineer one construction foreman with 5 years of experience, one first aider, one safety officer. Approved budget for the contract is 144,750,000 pesos, and the contract duration is 240 calendar days.
Any question po? May question po kaya? Isa present, engineer ba? So kung wala po, mag-proceed na po tayo sa second project.
Good morning po.
Good morning.
Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Flood Mitigation Structure Protecting Major, Strategic Public Buildings, Facilities, Construction of Drainage System, Purok, Anak, Bagong, Sinag, Barangay, Cotta, Lucena City, Quezon. Contract ID 24DJ0061. Plans of the proposed project. Title page. Index of drawing. Legend, abbreviation, and symbols. Design symbols. Layout plan, key map, location map, and vicinity map. General construction notes. Summary of quantities. Straight line diagram. Typical roadway sections. DPWH standard project billboard. DPWH field office for the engineer. Plan and profile. Drainage plan and profile. Cross section. And cross section. Project scope of works. Part A, facilities for the engineer. Construction of field office for the engineer. Provision of furniture, fixture, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. Provision of progress photograph. Part B, other general requirements, project billboard, signboard. Occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization. Division 1, general. Part D, reinforced concrete. Reinforcing steel bar, deform, grade 40. Structural concrete 3000 PSI, Class A at 28 days. Division 4, flood control, drainage and water supply. Part L, flood and river control and drainage. Part LA, earthworks, clearing, grabbing, structure excavation, common soil, and gravel fill. Minimum equipment requirements. One backhoe, 2 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1 bagger mixer, 1 water pump, 1 water truck, 1 low bed trailer, 1 vibratory roller, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 cargo truck, and 1 concrete vibrator. Manpower requirements, 1 project manager, 1 project engineer, 1 accredited materials engineer 1 construction foreman, 1 first aider, and 1 safety officer. Approved budget for the contract, 4,950,000 pesos. Contract duration, 150 calendar days.
Any question po? So, kung wala pong question, thank you po, Engineer Vic. So, next project na po tayo.
001 ensure safe and reliable national road system, bridge program widening of permanent bridges, Lacawan Bridge B02937LJ, along MSR Diversion Road, Lucena City. Contract ID 24DJ0062. Plans of the proposed project. Title page. Index of drawing and summary of quantities. Key map, location map, vicinity map, and layout plan. Bridge plan, bridge elevation, craneway elevation, and craneway cross-section. Typical detail of bird file at Pier 1 and 2. Section of bird file. Typical detail of bird file at Pier 1 and 2. And section of bird file. Project scope of works. Part A, facilities for the engineer. Construction of field office for the engineer. Provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. Provision of progress photographs. Part B, other general requirements. Project billboard, signboard. Occupational safety and health program. Traffic management. Mobilization, demobilization. Craneway, erection and removal. Part C, earthworks. Removal of structures and obstruction. Structure excavation, common soil. Shoring, cleaving, and related works, cleaving, copper damming. Embankment from roadway excavation, common soil. Foundation fill, subgrade preparation, common material. Part D, sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course. Part F, bridge construction. Concrete pile, cast and drill holes, 1.8 meter diameter. Concrete piles, cast and drill holes, 1.5 diameter. Permanent casing, 1.8 meter diameter, 12 mm thick. Permanent casing, 1.5 meter diameter, 10 mm thick. Pile integrity testing, low strain. High strain dynamic testing, PDA. Concrete railing standard. Reinforcing steel grade 40. Reinforcing steel grade 60. Structural concrete 27.58 megapascal class A at 14 days. Pre-stress structural concrete members 16-meter type 3 high girder. Pre-stress structural concrete members 24-meter type 4A high girders. Structural steel sheet piles furnished. Structural steel sheet piles driven. Lean concrete class B 16.54 megapascal. Paint elastomeric bearing pads 920 mm by 920 mm by 248 mm. Forms and falls works. Part G, drainage and slope protection structure. Grouted riprap class A. Drain pipe galvanized. Minimal equipment requirements. One low bed trailer, one dump truck 10 cubic, one dump truck 12 cubic, one payloader, one backhoe, one chainsaw, one motorized road grader, one vibratory roller, one water truck, one bar cutter, one concrete vibrator, two concrete vibrator, one concrete screeder, one concrete saw blade, 14 inches diameter, 7.5 horsepower, two 1-bagger mixer, 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute, one bulldozer, one joint sealer, one drilling rig, 2,000 mm diameter, 65 meter depth, and 1,900 kilogram per meter drill. One crawler crane, 41 to 45 metric tons. One crawler crane, 21 to 25 metric tons capacity. One payloader, one generator set 300 kilowatts to 370 kilovolts. One bentonite beam. Manpower requirements, one project manager, one project engineer, 1 accredited materials engineer 1 construction foreman, 1 first aider, and 1 safety officer. Approved budget for the contract ABC, 113,966,500 pesos. Contract duration, 360 calendar days.
Thank you again, Engineer Rick. Any
Thank you
question
po.
po? So kung wala pong question, proceed po tayo sa project number 4. So let us acknowledge first the presence of representative of JCA Construction Corporation. Good morning po. So project number 4 na po tayo.
Wala, ayan po tayo na. Convergence and Special Support Program, Special Road Fund, Motor Vehicle Users Charge, MVUC, as per RA 11239, installation of road safety devices, roller barriers along Pagbilao, Dalahican Port Road, kilometer 140 plus 600 to kilometer 141 plus 400, intermittent section, Lucena City, Quezon. Contract ID 24DJ0063. Plans of the proposed project. First is title page, index of drawings, location map, vicinity map, key map, layout plan. Legends, abbreviation, and symbols. General notes. Summary of quantities. Typical roadway section and large section. Layout plans. Straight line diagram. Details of roller barrier. Next is details of roller barrier. Detailed plan of project billboard. Traffic management plan. Road safety. And the rest is plan and profile. Scope of works. Part A, facilities for the engineer. A.1.18, provision of field office for the engineer, rental basis. A.1.41, provision of progress photographs. Part B, other general requirement. B.5, project billboard signboard. B.72, operational safety and health program. B.82, traffic management. B.9, mobilization and demobilization. Part C, earthworks, 102, clearing and grabbing. Part H, miscellaneous structures, 637 double roller safety barrier system. Minimum equipment requirements. Um, 1 load bed trailer, 2 payloader, 2 dump truck, 1 backhoe, 1 bulldozer, 1 plate compactor, 1 water truck, 1 motorized food grader, 1 laboratory roller, 2 concrete saw blade, 1 bar cutter single piece, 1 bagger mixer, 1 welding machine, 1 bar bender, 1 boom truck, 1 cargo truck delivery truck, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine, 1 vibro hammer, 1 cone drilling machine, 1 chain block with belt, 1 hydraulic jack, 1 chainsaw, 1 joint sealer machine, 1 telescopic manlift, manpower requirements, 1 project manager with 5 years of experience, 1 project engineer with 5 years of experience, 1 accredited materials engineer 1 construction foreman with 5 years of experience, 1 first aider, 1 safety officer. The approved budget for the contract is 96,500,000 pesos and the contract duration is 120 calendar days. Thank you po.
Thank you, Engineer Justin. So, any question po? Wala pong tanong. So, next project na po tayo.
Good morning po. Ang title of the projects, Series 001, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System, Network Development Program, Road Widening, Tertiary Roads, San Juan, Candelaria Junction, Candelaria Bolboc Road, K0147 plus 631, kilometer 147 plus 903. Contract ID 24DJ0064. Plans of the proposed project. Title page po with length of 272 meters. Index of drawings. Legends, abbreviation, and symbols. Design symbols. Ito po yung ating key map, location map, layout plan, vicinity map. General construction notes. Summary of quantities. A straight line diagram po ng obstructions. Ang ating pong geometric design, horizontal at vertical. Ang ating pong design parameters. Typical cross-section. Ito po yung precast concrete curb and gutter. Ang ating pong reflectorized thermoplastic pavement, tsaka po yung road right-of-way marker. Details po ng solar street lights. Details pa din po ng solar street lights. Ito po yung ating drainage plan. Straight line diagram po siya ng naka-indicate po dito yung solar street lights, right-of-way marker, tsaka po yung iwa-widen. Ito naman po yung details po ng CHB covered canal. Ito po yung sa details of person with disability access facilities. Traffic management plan. road safety, field office, DPWH billboard, plan and profile, drainage plan and profile, tsaka po yung mga cross-sections po natin. Scope of works. Ang ating pong scope of works ay under ng facilities for the engineer ay yung field office, yung mga furnitures po ng field office, tsaka po yung mga photographs. Sa other general requirements naman po yung billboard natin, occupational safety and health, yung traffic management, MOBI at demobilization, tsaka po yung removal and relocation of utilities. Sa earthworks naman po ay individual removal of trees, removal of obstruction, excavation, common excavation, structure excavation, foundation fill, embankment from roadway excavation, subgrade preparation. Sa ating pong sub-base and base course naman na yung aggregate sub-base course naman po natin. Sa surface courses naman po ay yung PCCP na 0.23 for roadway, tsaka 0.3 po dun sa widen natin. Sa drainage and slope protection naman po ay inlets, tsaka concrete cover. Sa miscellaneous naman po ay curb and gutter, right of way, monument, trees, yung termo po natin at saka yung solar stripe. Sa CW2 po, dito po yung 404, 405, at saka po yung masonry units para po sa ating line canal. Minimum equipment requirements. Low bed trailer, payloader, dump truck, backhoe, bulldozer, plate compactor, water truck, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, concrete vibrator, concrete scrader, concrete saw, bar cutter, one bagger mixer, welding machine, bar bender, boom truck, cargo truck, applicator machine, kneading machine, vibro hammer, tsaka po cone drilling machine. Chain block with belt, hydraulic jack, chainsaw, joint sealer machine, tsaka yung telescopic man lift. Manpower requirements. One project engineer with 5 years of experience. One project manager with 5 years of experience. Accredited material engineer. Construction foreman with 5 years of experience. First aider, safety officer. Approved budget for the contract is 19,600,000. Contract duration 180 calendar days. Thank you po.
Thank you, Engineer Lauren. Any question po? So, kung wala pong question, proceed na po tayo sa next project.
Good morning po.
Morning.
Convergent and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program or BIP, multipurpose buildings, facilities to support social services, construction of multipurpose building Barangay Lacawan, Quezon, with contract ID 24DJ0065. Plans of the proposed project. Title page. Perspective, location map, vicinity map, summary of quantities, table of contents. Site development plan. ground floor plan and second floor plan, roof plan, front elevation and rear elevation, right side and left side elevation, section through B and section through A, details of window molding and schedule of doors and windows, reflected ceiling plan, floor finish layout for first and second floor, wall finish layout first and second floor, details of stairs, detail of ramp, detail of toilet, detail of signage, detail of railing, and detail of grab bar. Field office. DPWH standard project billboard. General construction notes. General construction notes. Foundation plan, second floor framing plan, and roof framing plan. Column footing details, wall footing detail, typical detail of beam, and beam schedule. Slab schedule, roof fixture, J-bolt spacing, roof panel, isometric view of concrete, connection of roofing to purlins, and two-way slab detail. And wall detail, detail section of stair, detail section of stair footing, detailed elevation of truss, detail of truss anchorage, detail connection of purlin to top cord, detail connection of purlin to sagrad. Electrical notes, specification, legends and symbol, load schedule, single line diagram, and electrical riser diagram. Lighting layout, foreground and second floor. Power layout, ground floor and second floor. Detail of catch basin, detail of floor clean out, detail of septic vault, plumbing notes, plumbing legends. Cold water line layout for ground and second floor. Sanitary layout, ground floor and second floor. Detail of column footing, detail of cistern tank, foundation plan, and floor plan. Storm drainage layout for ground floor and second floor and roof. Isometric layout for cold water line, sewer line, and storm drainage. Fire protection layout, ground floor, second floor. Detail of portable fire extinguisher, detail of semi-connection, firehouse cabinet elevation, and firehouse cabinet plan. Aircon and exhaust fan layout for ground and second floor. Detail of suction piping, mounting, detail of aircon condenser. Fire detection layout for ground and second floor, and fire detection single line diagram, detail of manual pull switch. CCTV single line diagram, CCTV layout for ground and second floor, detail of CCTV camera, and mounting detail of CCTV camera. Scope of works. Part A, facilities for the engineer. Construction of field office for the engineer, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer, provision of progress photographs. Part B under general requirements, permits and clearances, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization. Part C, earthwork, individual removal of trees, removal of structure and obstruction, structure excavation, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, embankment from barrow and gravel fill. Part D, reinforced concrete, structural concrete 4,000 PSI Class A and 3,000 PSI Class A. Reinforcing steel D, form grade 40 and 60, and formworks and false works. Part E, finishing and other civil works. Soil poisoning, CHB non-load bearing 100 and 150 mm, including reinforcing steel. Door flush, door wood panel, steel doors and frames, aluminum frame glass door, swing type, aluminum glass window, casement, awning, and fixed type. Railing, cement plaster finish, cement floor finish, ceiling, fascia board, reflective insulation, glass tiles, glaze tiles and trims, and glaze tiles, waterproofing, painting works, corrugated metal roofing, structural steel for trusses and purlins, metal structure accessories, steel plates, sag rod, cross bracing, metal structure accessories, lump sum, metal structure accessory for turnbuckle and bolts and rods, fabricated metal roofing accessories, sewer line works, cold water line, storm drainage and downspout, plumbing fixture, septic vault or tank, catch basin. Part F, electrical, conduit boxes and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel board and main and branch breaker, lighting fixture and CCTV system. Part G, mechanical, air conditioning system, fire hose cabinet assembly, fire alarm system. Minimum equipment requirements: backhoe, dump truck, chainsaw, plate compactor, concrete vibrator, pumpcrete, bar cutter, bar bender, one bagger mixer, welding machine, cutting outfit, power trowel, truck mounted crane, boom truck, and low bed trailer. Manpower requirements: 1 project manager with 5 years experience, 1 project engineer with 5 years experience, 1 accredited materials engineer 1 construction foreman with 5-year total experience, 1 first aider, and 1 safety officer. Approved budget for the contract, 7,425,000 pesos with contract duration 210 calendar days.
Thank you, Engineer Sarah Jane. Any question? Any question po? So, wala pa pong magtatanong. Let's proceed to the next project.
Good morning po. For the next project po, 24DJ0066, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction of Multipurpose Building, Barangay Hall, Barangay San Agustin, Chaong, Quezon Province. Plans of the proposed project. Title page, key map, perspective, location map, vicinity map. Site development plan. Summary of quantities. Ground floor plan, second floor plan, roof plan. Front elevation, rear elevation. Right side elevation, left side elevation. Section through A, section through B. Schedule of doors and windows. Detail of wall partition. Detail of window moldings. Reflected ceiling plan, ground floor. Reflected ceiling plan, second floor. Detail of soffit panel. Detail of metal furring. Floor finish layout, ground floor. Floor finish layout, second floor. Wall finish layout, ground floor. Wall finish layout, second floor. Detail of staircase. Detail of ramp. Detailed plan of toilet. Detailed section of toilet. Detailed signage, and detail of railing. Details of field office. Detail of project billboard. General construction notes. General construction notes. Foundation plan, second floor framing plan, roof framing plan. Typical detail of column footing. RC footing schedule. Typical detail of beam schedule. Column schedule. Typical detail of slab. Reinforced concrete slab schedule. Detail of wall footing. Detail of end wall grid 1. Detail of end wall grid 4. Detail of staircase section. Detail of staircase. Roofing fixer. J-bolt spacing. Roof panel side lap detail. Isometric view of connection of roofing. Detail elevation of truss. Reference weld detail. Spot details. Detail of truss anchorage. Detail of purlin splice. Detail connection of cross bracing. Detail connection of purlin to top cord. Detail connection of purlin to sagrad. Electrical notes. Load schedule. Riser diagram. Detail of panel board. Lighting layout ground floor. Lighting layout second floor. Power layout ground floor. Power layout second floor. Plumbing notes and legend. Detail of septic vault. Detail of catch basin. Detail of floor clean out. Sanitary layout ground floor. Sanitary layout second floor. Cold water lines layout ground floor. Cold water line layout second floor. Storm drainage layout ground floor. Storm drainage layout second floor. Storm drainage layout roof. Sanitary line isometric diagram. Cold water line isometric diagram. Storm drainage line isometric diagram. General notes and legends. Fire protection layout ground floor, fire protection layout second floor, firehouse cabinet plan, firehouse cabinet elevation, detail of Siamese connection, detail of portable fire extinguisher. AC and exhaust fan layout ground floor, AC and exhaust fan layout second floor, mounting detail of AC condenser, detail of suction piping. Fire detection layout ground floor, fire detection layout second floor, legends and symbols, fire detection single line diagram, detail of manual pull switch. CCTV layout ground floor, CCTV layout second floor, CCTV single line diagram, detail of CCTV camera, mounting detail of CCTV camera. For our scope of works, Part A, facilities for the engineer. A.1.13, construction of field office for the engineer. A1, A.1.111, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. A.1.41, provision of progress photographs. Part B, other general requirements. B.31, permits and clearances. B.51, project billboard signboard. B.71, occupational safety and health program. B.91, mobilization demobilization. Part C, earthworks. 803A1, individual removal of trees, small a, 150 mm to 300 mm diameter. 8011, removal of structure and obstruction. 8031A, structure excavation, common soil. 8041A, embankment of structure excavation, common soil. 8042A, embankment of borough, common soil. 8047, gravel fill. Part D, reinforced concrete. 901D, structural concrete. 4,000 PSI, Class A at 28 days. 901C, structural concrete, 3,000 PSI, Class A at 28 days. 9021A1, reinforcing steel, deformed, grade 40. 9021A2, reinforcing steel, deformed, grade 60. 9032, formworks and false works. Part E, finishing and other civil works. 1001, soil poisoning. 1046 to A1, CHB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 100 mm. 1046 to A2, CHB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm. 1010 2A, door flush. 1010 2B, door wood panel. 1006 6, steel doors and frames. 1008 1B, aluminum glass windows, casement type. 1008 1C, aluminum glass windows, awning type. 1051 1, railing. 1027 1, cement plaster finish. 1021 1A, cement floor finish plane. 1003 1A1, ceiling, 4.5 mm metal frame, fiber cement board. 1038 1, reflective insulation. 1018 1, glazed tiles and trims. 1018 2, unglazed tiles. 1016 1A, waterproofing cement base. 1032 1A, painting works, masonry concrete. 1013 1, corrugated metal roofing, gauge 26. 1047 8A, structural steel trusses. 1047 8B, structural steel purlins. 1047 5D, metal structure accessories, steel plates. 1047 5B, metal structure accessories, sagrads. 1047 5C, metal accessories, cross bracing. 1047 3, metal structure accessories. 1047 4B, metal structure accessories, turnbuckle. 1047 4A, metal structure accessories, bolts and rods. 1013 2B, fabricated metal roofing accessory flashing gauge 26. 1013 2C, fabricated metal roofing accessory gauge 24 gutter. 1001 8 sewer line works. 1002 24 cold water lines. 1001 9 storm drainage and downspout. 1002 4 plumbing fixtures. 1001 11 septic vault concrete CHB. 1001 5B catch basin CHB. Part D electrical. 1110 conduit boxes and fittings, conduit works, conduit roughing. 1101 33 wires and wiring devices. 1102 1 panel board with main and branch breaker. 1103 1 lighting fixtures and lamps. 1106 1 CCTV system. Part G mechanical. 1213A air conditioning system package split type. 1202 5 fire hose cabinet assembly. 1208 1 fire alarm system. Minimum equipment requirements. Backhoe, dump truck, chainsaw, plate compactor, concrete vibrator, pumpcrete, bar cutter, bar bender, one bagger mixer, welding machine, cutting outfit, power trowel, truck-mounted crane, low bed trailer. Manpower requirements. One project manager with 5 years total experience. One project engineer with 5 years total experience. Accredited materials engineer 1. 1 construction foreman with 5 years total experience. 1 first aider, 1 safety officer. Approved budget for the contract, 7,425,000 pesos. Contract duration, 210 calendar days.
Any questions po? Thank you, Engineer Justin. So, next project na po tayo.
Good morning po ulit.
Morning.
Title of the project, 001, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Network Development Program, Road Widening, Secondary Roads, Candelaria Bypass Road, Kilometer 106 plus 707.5 to Kilometer 106 plus 834, Kilometer 106 plus 882 to Kilometer 106 plus 935 Candelaria, Quezon, with a contract ID 24DJ0067. Plans of the proposed project. Title page, ang net length po niya ay 179.5 meters. Summary of quantities. Straight line diagram po ng obstructions. Key map, layout plan, location map, vicinity map. Typical cross sections. Plan and profile. Scope of works. Under facilities for the engineer, field office for the engineer. Yung furnitures po na gagamitin sa field office, photographs. Sa other general requirements naman po, yung billboard po natin, occupational safety and health, traffic management, mobilization, demobilization, tsaka po removal and relocation of utilities. Earthworks po, removal of structures and obstruction, surplus common excavation, structure excavation, foundation fill, pipe culvert and drainage excavation, embankment from roadway excavation, sub-base preparation. Sa sub-base and base course naman po ay aggregate sub-base course. Surface courses, PCCP po na may kapal na 0.23 at 0.3. Drainage and snow protections po ay manhole inlets tsaka po concrete covers. 9-10 diameter po. Tapos miscellaneous structures, curb and gutter, precast at tsaka cast in place, sidewalk, thermoplastic, tsaka po solar light po natin. Sa CW2 po, pipe culverts, tsaka CW3 po ay stone masonry. Minimum equipment requirements. Low bed trailer, payloader, dump truck, backhoe with pavement breaker, plate compactor, water truck, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, concrete vibrator, concrete screeder, concrete saw, bar cutter, one bagger mixer, welding machine, bar bender, boom truck, cargo truck, applicator machine, kneading machine. Manpower requirements. 1 project manager with 5 years of experience, 1 project engineer with 5 years of experience, accredited material engineer 1, construction foreman, first aider, safety officer. Approved budget for the contract is 16,366,000. Contract duration 150 calendar days. Thank you po.
Thank you, Engineer Lauren. So, any question po? So, wala po magtatanong. Proceed na po tayo sa project number 9.
OO1 ensure safe and reliable national road system, network development program, road widening, tertiary roads, MSR Junction, Chaong, Dolores Road, kilometer 96 plus 81 to kilometer 96 plus 516, Dolores, Quezon. Contract ID 24DJ0068. Plans of the proposed project. Title page with net length 435 linear meter. Layout plan, vicinity map, location map, and key map. Summary of quantities. Straight line diagram. Typical cross-section and enlarged section. Plan and profile. Scope of works. Part A, facilities for the engineer, construction of field office for the engineer, provision of furnitures and fixtures, equipment and appliances for the field office for the engineer, and provision of progress photographs. Other general requirements, project billboard, occupational safety and health program, traffic management, mobilization and demobilization. Earthworks, removal of structures and obstructions, surplus common excavation, structure excavation, foundation fill, pipe culverts and drain excavation, embankment from roadway, structure excavation, subgrade preparation, sub-base and base course, aggregate sub-base course. Surface courses, Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced 23 millimeter, 20.23 meter thick and 0.30 meter thick. Drainage and slope protection structures, manholes, inlet type, concrete covers. Miscellaneous structures, curb and gutter, cast in place and precast, sidewalk 100 mm thick, right-of-way monument, concrete, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, single-arm solar LED roadway lighting. And drainage and slope protection structure, pipe culvert 910 mm diameter, class 2 RCPC. Minimum equipment requirements. Low bed trailer, payloader, dump truck, backhoe, bulldozer, plate compactor, water truck, motorized road grader, vibratory roller, concrete vibrator, concrete screeder, concrete saw, bar cutter, one bagger mixer, welding machine, bar bender, boom truck, telescopic man lift, applicator machine, and kneading machine. Manpower requirements. One project manager with 5 years experience, one project engineer with 5 years experience, one accredited materials engineer one construction foreman with 5 years experience, first aider safety officer. Approved budget for the contract 24,268,720 pesos with contract duration 210 calendar days.
Any questions po? Wala pong tanong. Thank you, Engineer Sarah Jane. So, proceed na po tayo sa last project natin.
Papalit na ulit ng bago. Pinold po kasi.
Hello po. Wala pong nagsasalita. Wala po kami naririnig.
Hello po. Hello po,
Yung,
good morning.
thank you po.
Opo. Next project po natin is OO1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Network Development Program. Road Widening Tertiary Road, Cotta Port Road, kilometer 116 plus 043 to kilometer 116 plus 421, Saraya, Quezon, contact ID 24JJ0069. Concept of the proposed project. Title page. Summary of entities. Key map, location map, layout plan, vicinity map. Straight line diagram. Scheduling for removal of obstructions. Typical approach and end detection, scope of works, for road widening, Part A, facilities for the engineer. 3.1.13, construction of field office for the engineer. 8.1.111, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. 8.1.41, provision of progress photographs. Part B, other general requirements. B.5, project billboard signboard. B.7, occupational safety and health program. B.82, traffic management. B.9, mobilization, demobilization. Part C, earthworks. 101, 3, B5, removal of actual structures and obstructions. 1011, removal of structures and obstruction. 1022, surplus common excavation. 1031A, structure excavation common soil. 1041A, embankment from roadway excavation common soil. 1051A, subgrade preparation common material. Part D, sub-base and base course. 201, aggregate sub-base course. Part E, surface courses. 3022, emulsified asphalt. 3101B, bituminous concrete surface wearing course, hot laid. 3102B, bituminous concrete surface binder course, hot laid. 3111F1, Portland cement concrete pavement. Part H, miscellaneous structures. 6052A1, AI2, regulatory sign. 6121, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white. 6249A2, single arm 9-meter pole, solar LED roadway lighting. For construction of drainage structure along road. Part G, drainage and slope protection structure. 4041A, reinforcing steel grade 40. 4051A3, structure concrete class A. 7041, masonry unit. Minimum equipment requirement. 32, barricade flasher light. 1 low bed trailer, 1 backhoe, 2 dump truck, 2 payloader, 1 water truck, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory roller, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete skidder, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, single phase, 1 boom truck, 2 cargo trucks, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine, 1 truck, mounted boom truck, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 asphalt distributor, 1 power broom, 1 asphalt paver. Manpower requirements. 1 project manager with 5 years of experience, 1 project engineer with 5 years of experience, 1 accredited materials engineer 1 construction foreman with 5 years of experience, 1 first aider, 1 safety officer. Approved budget for the contract is 19,600,000 pesos and the contract duration is 180 calendar days. Thank you po.
Any question po? So, kung wala pong question, anyway, ang program's scope of work and plans po natin ay naka-upload sa ating website and PDFs. So, next na po, presentation naman po ng submission of bid. Thank you, Engineer Justin.
Submission of bids. The 2 envelope system, the 1 original copy of the technical proposal in a sealed envelope, and 1 original copy of a financial bid proposal in a sealed envelope, placed in 1 sealed envelope. Bidding date, February 8, 2024. Submission of bidding documents until 9 a.m. only. Opening of bidding documents at 9 o'clock a.m. Bids must be duly received by the BAC Secretariat through 1. Manual submission, and 2. Online or electronic submission as per DEO number 87 series of 2020. Advertisement, electronic bids _ Quezon 2 at dpwh.gov.ph is the assigned email address of the Quezon 2 DEO where electronic bids shall be submitted or received. It is specified in the invitation to bid and bidding documents of the contract, which allows electronic submission of bids. Upon posting of the invitation to bid and bidding documents in the DPWH PhilJEP's websites and a conspicuous place pursuant to Section 21 of the IRR of RA 9184, the BAC Secretariat created a folder in the electronic bid submission and receipt SharePoint site, the eBid portal, for the contract ID allowing electronic submission of bids. The folder name should be consistent with the contract ID scheme provided under DO number 33 series of 2018. For the opening of bids, for a hybrid system of submission where electronic and manual bids were received for a particular contract, electronic bids must be opened first before the manual bids. The same applies to the technical and financial archive files in the electronic bids, which shall open prior to the technical and financial envelope in the manual bids. The checklist of technical component envelope, the first envelope. For Class A documents, the legal documents, number 1, valid PhilJEP's registration certificate for platinum membership, all pages. Number 2, the registration certificate from the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC, from Department of Trade and Industry or DTI for sole proprietorship or cooperative development authority for cooperatives or its equivalent documents. Number 3, the mayor's or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidders is located, or the equivalent document for exclusive economic zone or areas. Number 4, the tax clearance for EO number 398 series of 2005 as finally reviewed and approved by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. For eligibility documents, number 1, the statement of prospective bidders of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid. Number 2, the statement of bidder's single largest completed contract or the SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid except under conditions provided under the rules of the IRR. The bidder must have completed SLCC that is similar to the contract to be bid and whose value adjusted to current prices using PSA consumer price indices must be at least 50% of the ABC to be bid. The SLCC shall be supported by an owner certificate of final acceptance issued by the project owner other than the contractor, or a final rating of at least satisfactory in the CPES. In case of contract in private sector, an equivalent document shall be submitted. Number 3, the Philippines Contractors Accreditation Board license or the PCAB license, or a special PCAB license in case of joint ventures. For financial documents, number 1, NFCC must be at least equal to the ABC to be bid. The NFCC is the current asset minus current liabilities minus the value of all outstanding or uncompleted portion of the projects under ongoing, including awarded contracts yet to be started, coinciding with the contract to be bid. Number 2, the audited financial statement showing, among others, the prospective bidder's total current assets and liabilities, stamp received by the BIR or its duly accredited and authorized institution for the preceding calendar year, which should not earlier than 2 years from the date of bid submission. For the bid security, an original copy of notarized bid securing declaration using prescribed format or any form of bid security in an amount equal to a percentage of the ABC in accordance with the following schedule as per IRR section 27.2. Letter A, cash or the cashier's or manager's check issued by a universal or commercial bank, 2% of ABC. B, the bank drop or guarantee or irrevocable letter of credit issued by a universal or commercial bank using Form DPWH Infra 10 or 11 must be 2% of ABC. C, the surety bond callable on demand issued by a surety or insurance company duly certified by the Insurance Commission as authorized to issue such security, 5% of ABC. The bids and bid securities shall be valid when within 120 calendar days from the opening of bids, and it should be specified in the bid security in any form, and please indicate the expiry date. Project requirements, which shall include the following: A, the organizational chart for the contract to be bid using Form DPWH Infra 12. B, the list of contractors' key personnel, including project manager, project engineer, materials engineer, and foreman, to be assigned to the contract to be bid with their complete qualification, experience, data, Form DPWH Infra 13. C, duly signed list of contractors pledged major equipment units owned or under purchase agreement, supported by proof of ownership or certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor or vendor for the duration of the project. This equipment must meet the minimum major equipment requirements for the contract set in the BDS, Form DPWH Infra 14. And pledged equipment must comply DO number 9 and DO number 58, both of series of 2012. D, the original duly signed omnibus sworn statement in accordance with Section 25.3 of the IRR, and E, if applicable, an original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture, giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder. For Class B documents, if applicable, duly signed joint venture agreement in accordance with RA number 4566 and its IRR, in case the joint venture is already in existence.
Checklist of financial component envelopes, second envelope. Financial component envelope. The financial proposal shall contain the following. 1. Original duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. 2. Original duly signed bid sizes and the bill of quantities using Form DPWH Infra 16 and 17. 3. Duly accomplished detailed estimate form, including summary sheets, indication the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rental using the coming up with the bid. And 4. Duly signed cash flow by quarter using Form DPWH Infra 18. Additional requirements. Duly notarized affidavit of site inspection. The construction safety and food program intended for this specific project only must be attached in the technical document. The construction safety and food program should also be complete in accordance with the checklist and DOLE DO number 13 series of 1998. It includes the DOLE application form, construction safety and food officer, first aider, TESA certificate and heavy equipment operator and or critical workers, testing and inspection of heavy equipment if applicable, and other pertinent documents for the approval of the program. Updated CPES rating or latest certification coming from the CPES that no rating was conducted for the past years, intended for the specific project to be bid. Minimum material testing equipment requirement pursuant to the DO80 series of 1990 and reiterated in the 0138 series of 2015. Cleared photocopies of an ID and creators PRC ID of the project manager, project engineer, and materials engineer assigned to the project to be bid. Criteria of eligibility screening. Preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bid and cost qualification, as per 2016 Today's IRR of RA 9184 and latest GPBD issuances, the first envelope shall be opened to determine the compliance with the documents required to be submitted for eligibility and for the technical requirements as prescribed in the IRR. The back check the submitted documents of each bidder against the checklist of requirements to ascertain if they are all present, using pass or fail criterion. For every document required that is present, it shall be rated pass. But in case of fail to include any of the requirements resulting to incomplete required document, it shall be considered failed. Otherwise, the bank shall rate the first envelope pass. Immediately after determining the compliance of the first envelope, the bank shall open the second envelope for the financial documents using again the pass or fail criterion and determining compliancy based on the checklist requirements. When the bid price exceeds the approved budget for the contract or ABC, it is automatically rated as failed. All bids shall be subject for evaluation, and the lowest calculated bid or the highest rated bid shall undergo post-qualification to determine whether the bidder concerned complies with and is responsive for all the requirements and conditions as specified in bidding documents. Additional information: enter into contract requirements to be complied by the winning bidder. 1. Construction method using Form DPWH Info 45. 2. Construction schedule in the form of precedence diagram and bar chart with S-curve and cash flow. Include the duration of the project or number of days using Form DPWH Info 46. 3. Manpower schedule using Form DPWH Info 47. 4. Equipment utilization schedule using Form DPWH Info 38. 5. Clear photocopies of PIN ID and latest PRC ID of the project manager, project engineer, and materials engineer assigned to the project. 6. Performance security and performance security declaration. 7. Contractor all risk insurance. 8. For joint venture agreement, become special joint venture license. 9. CHS initially approved by the Hope and the Dalahican Conference. Reminder to all bidders who will submit manually and to bidders who submitted their bid online that will submit their original documents. Submit documents with table of contents paginated and bound with your tags pursuant to DEO 90 of 2002. Proposal booklet should be signed and attached in a technical envelope. There should be documentary stamp on bidder's bank and all other notarized documents. Materials engineers should be accredited and certificate of accreditation should be updated, intended for the specific project. The estimate and summary sheet must be in detail. A contractor's authorized representative must present their valid company and any government-issued ID. Reminder to all bidders, please use A4 size of bond paper for technical and financial bid proposal. Use the prescribed info form which can find the bid proposal booklet updated March 31, 2021. DEO 35 series of 2008, the guidelines in the implementation of the three-strike policy in the procurement of civil works and consultancy services contracts by the department and reiterated in DEO 17 series of 2015, the three-strike policy in the procurement of contracts for infrastructure works, goods, and consulting services. Thank you po.
Any question po? Wala pong tanong. So, thank you, Miss Laila and Miss Joy. So, yun po yung ating mga presentation ng ating plans, programs of work, scope of works, and the requirements for the submission of bids. Yung mga bids po natin na ma-receive, dapat po ay hindi mag-exceed sa ABCD. So, pag nag-exceed po, automatically, rejected na po yung bid. And another one is, yung mga prospective bidders po natin ay dapat naka-registered sa PCAB. At yung po mga eligible bidders ay, yung mga eligible na bidders dapat na requirements ay naandun po sa ating bidding documents. Mababasa niyo po sa ating bidding documents under section 2 of the bidding documents. Yung ating po mga contractors na gusto mag-participate is encouraged to enroll in DPWH Civil Works application or the CWA sa procurement sa DPWH Procurement Service. So, Monday to Friday, yung working days po natin from 8 to 5 p.m., pwede po tayong magpunta doon. So, yung naman pong naka-enroll na sa CWA, so, kailangan po ay yung ating, i-keep po natin yung records natin ay update. Ang ating pong bidding documents may be obtained by the interested contractors from dito po sa aming office sa DPWH Quezon 2 District Engineering Office, Monday to Thursday 8 to 5 p.m. and every Friday ay 8 to 12 noon. Kaya po ganun ay binibigyan po natin ng leeway yung pagdi-deposit ng mga bidding ating pong mga na-purchase na bidding documents, i-deposit po natin sa bank. Ang complete bidding documents po natin ay, yun nga po, pwede po nyo pong makuha dito sa aming office and pwede na rin man po na makuha nyo downloadable free of charge sa website ng DPTB, ng PhilJeps and DPWH website. So, ang ating pong bid submission is done manually or electronically or online. So, pwede po tayong pwede po kayong mag-submit through manual submission and through electronic submission. Doon po sa ating DPWH portal. So, ang ating pong opening of bids ay February 8, after the deadline ng submission of bids. So, ang ating pong ito pong private natin, ang opening, ang lahat po ng ating activities sa procurement ay live na po natin makikita sa YouTube website ng Quezon 2 DEO. So, yun po. Start po kami ngayon na nag-live sa YouTube. So, yun nga po. Pwede niyong balikan yung kung hindi kayo nakapagtanong o hindi kayo pwede niyo pong balikan yung aming live sa YouTube or i-check niyo po sa DPWH website or PhilJeps yung mga plans and lahat po na requirements. So, pwede rin po kayong tumawag dito sa aming office o magsadya dito sa aming office para po sa inyo. So, may mga question po kaya? Kung wala na po, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating conference. So, mayroon po kaya sa ating mga participants na gustong linawin o gustong magbigay ng message. So, kung wala po, thank you very much po and magkita-kita po tayo sa February 8 sa opening of bids. Thank you po and good morning po.